Hey guys, welcome to my kitchen, welcome to my page. So today recipe that I'll be making in my kitchen is Afang Soup. So stay tuned and follow me as we prepare this delicious recipe in my kitchen. So guys, how do I look? How do I look? Welcome to my kitchen. Welcome to my kitchen. Welcome to my kitchen. Welcome to my kitchen. Okay, I'll be using this water leaf. I'll be using this water leaf for Afang Soup. So you know one thing I like this country, guys. Everything we used to have in Nigeria, we can get it here. You see this water leaf? There's a Chinese woman that plant it in her compound. So she normally brings it to us, we Africans. So we buy from her. Even Ogo, we have bitter leaf, fresh bitter leaf. They use bitter leaf as flour. So many things they have in Africa, we can get it freshly in Malaysia here. So that's one thing I like about this country. So I'll be using this water leaf to prepare my
because I was a mover and shaker of the academic industry. I want to go to this way they hit me like this. What's the assignment?
Welcome to my kitchen. Welcome to my kitchen. Okay, next one is delicious ogbono soup. We are making ogbono soup. Meat cooked. I'm gonna cook with this stockfish together while I add ogbono and other ingredients. Guys, let's go and cook.